So let me show you some really cool stuff you can do with just an E minor chord. So first play your E minor, and if you don't know your E minor, it's just played like this. Fingers 2 and 3, strings 4 and 5, just like this. And you strum all 6. And it's very important to play it like this and not like this. Some people play like this. I play it like that occasionally. But you're not going to be able to get everything out of this chord unless you play it the way I'm playing it here. And here's why. So you can start to do some really cool embellishments. Just take finger 3 off, put it back on. It's pretty easy, right? Then you can also take finger 2 on and off. You can actually take both of them off and put them back on. You can take finger 2 and slide it up to fret 4. You can take finger 3, slide it to fret 3. You could do a hammer pull here on fret 3, string 6 like this. And I'm doing all that just sort of rooted right here on that E minor. I notice I'm coming off of it a good bit, but I'm just staying, that's sort of where I'm coming back to. I actually went up to fret 5 there with my finger 2. And I'm actually, like, while I'm doing all that, I'm actually just sort of using this string 6 as a drone. So it's like, even when I'm doing this stuff, still just using that one as well, using that string 6. You can actually even do that same thing that I'm doing on fret 3 here. You can actually do that same hammer pull deal right here on fret 2. This is a super easy trick for beginners. So I'm really not doing anything super complicated.